Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. We're actually going to get ready to start working on our next project. It's a refine for Andrew. And here's our box. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing opened up and check it out and see what Andrew has sent us to work on. And guys, also please excuse the jumping around and delays in my video. We're having some issues with my dad. He's actually still in the hospital at the time that I'm making this video. And he's been in there for about 10 days now. So, I mean, it's been a little bit on the hectic side. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get this popped open, see what Andrew sent us to refine. And we have a pretty good amount of BGA tops, so that's good. I'm going to just throw these on the scale in the bag. Let me get my bigger scale. Well, I think this one will do it. Let's see what we've got here. So we're going to have a mixed refine again. BGA and looks like ram fingers and some processors. So let's see, we have and these are all cleaned, as you can see, just the tops, so that's a good thing. And I am showing 384.8 grams of BGA tops. .8. I'll write that on there. And we'll set that aside for a minute. And then we have, this is all very close cut ram fingers. Really good job done on these. I want to show you guys how well these were prepared. That is really fantastic. So let's see what we have in here. It's mostly ram. There is a few of these guys in there, I can see now, but no, I see no LCD backs or stuff like that or other material. This is all fingers. We have 225.5 grams of those. 225.5. Put that over here. And then we've got some guys that I haven't seen in a while. Check these out, guys. These are Pentium Pros. We have 6 Pentium Pros. I haven't seen these guys. Gosh, I probably haven't got my hands on one of these in several years. I would say several years. Not just a few years, but several years. These processors are probably near the top of some of the best processors to do. It would take, gosh, I don't even know how many hundreds of them. It'd probably take, of the Pentium 3 types, or the little guys, let me grab them and show you real quick. I just want to show you the difference in things over time. Let's see. processors. Okay, everybody sees these guys all the time. These little processors. It would probably take, oh, let's see, 70, 60, easily between 50 and 75 of these processors to equal the gold in one of these. This is the more, you know, like a Pentium 3 or an AMD, a newer, this is in fact, this is actually an Intel processor. I believe it's a Pentium 3. But that's how many of these bad boys it would take to get the gold in just one of these Pentium Pros. So that's cool. This is going to make for a very interesting video. In general, the Pentium Pros usually yield about 1/3 of a gram of gold each. So we should have, you know, right at, you know, a gram here and a gram here. So we should have about somewhere around 2 grams of gold just out of these 6 processors. So these, it would take 300-400 of them, of those, to equal the gold in all of those. So that's going to be, it's going to be fun. I've never done a video doing Pentium Pros because I haven't had any lately, you know, in quite a while. This is also his gold that he sent along. This is some gold that has already been refined. I'm actually going to, this one looks pretty good. This one here actually looks maybe like 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold. I'm going to have to get it out of here and look at it a little bit closer. And Andrew, if you're watching this video, I will get up with you and see if you want me to just leave this stuff like it is and melt it together with your other gold, or, you know, that's why he sent it along, because he actually wants it all put into one bar. So I'm gonna check this out, and I'll have a couple questions for you about this, but that's, you know, no problem. We also have another little leg type processor in here with gold legs on it. So anyway, guys, that's what we've got. We've got 6 Pentium Pros that we're gonna start on. We've got 225 grams of fingers, which I'm going to get in some acid. And we've got 384 grams of our BGA, Gold Corner BGA tops. So we are going to get down on it. I will do each of these things. Probably it's going to take a couple of videos on here. I know this is for return. He sent this along for the return shipping because he doesn't want to lose any of his gold. He's like me. He'd rather have the gold than the cash. So anyhow, guys, I will get back to you when we're ready to get this process going. I'm probably going to start it tomorrow. I actually have to run to the hospital and see my dad right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make a short little video out of this. And we'll get back at you guys tomorrow. Well, it might be a day or two before I see here, you see another video, but we'll get back on it just as soon as we can. Andrew, thanks for sending this stuff. Thanks really for sending these. This is going to be a fun part of this little video series, because like I said, I haven't had these in hand for a long time, and that's going to be a fun little process right there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short for what I normally do, but this is just the unboxing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.